I'm Herbert Kipyego. I'm a healthcare provider at Bungoma Children's Hospital. And Bungoma Children's Hospital is located at Sikata along Webuye Malaba Highway. And today's topic, we are talking about immunization and deworming in children. We at Bungoma Children's Hospital, we deal basically with children and the children's health. Normally, these children, we do routine immunization. That's way from birth at 6 weeks, 10 weeks, 14 weeks, at 6 months, going up to 9 months and to 5 years. And normally, these children, at Bungoma Children's Hospital, we do both government vaccines, that's KEPI, and also we have baby-friendly vaccines. And this baby-friendly vaccine mostly, we have not limited to influenza vaccine, that's a flu vaccine, that's very common to our children. So at Bungoma Children's Hospital, these children will get the flu vaccine. That's from 6 months and 7 months for those below 1 year, and those above 1 year, we give them a single dose. That's once yearly, at least until 7 years when their immunity is okay. And above that, there are those children with chronic illnesses, e.g. sickle cell diseases, whereby their immunity are compromised. And when you visit Bungoma Children's Hospital, we have a range of these vaccines that help them boost their immunity. And one is a pneumococcal vaccine, which we call Prevnar 13. This Prevnar 13 has 13 strains that helps them from having these persistent bacterial infections. And also, these sickle cell clients, they are prone to meningitis. And at Bungoma Children's Hospital, we have also meningococcal vaccine, and we have two ranges. That's Niemenrix vaccine, and also the Niemenrix vaccine, and other brands that you'll find them at Bungoma Children's Hospital. Also, these patients, we give them flu vaccine because, as you know, these sickle cell patients, their immunity go way low. So they are prone to this flu vaccine, and we give them flu vaccine so that we also boost their immunity. Those three vaccines are very essential. That's flu vaccine, meningococcal vaccine, and pneumococcal vaccine. Very important for our children. So when you visit, these children will get the best, and we ensure that their health are not compromised. Also, we do deworming. So deworming, we start from 1 year, and we normally do it after every 6 months. And you know, when these children are infested with worms, you'll get some of them, they'll tend to get anemia, whereby the blood levels will go down because of worm infestations. And also, you see, when you don't encourage these children the hygienic ways of help preventing these worm infestation, then they'll be prone to the worms infestation. So we encourage them. The preventive measures is to wash hands regularly, ensure that when they get fruits, they wash them, they be clean, ensure that those school going, at least they have shoes, and it will help them so that they have good health. So when you visit Bungoma Children's Hospital, you'll always receive all these services. Above all, the care that you'll get here, it's not compromised. We have staffs that are well dedicated, and we have a child-friendly environment for both. We at Bungoma Children's Hospital, we advise most of our parents to ensure that we take our children for immunization regularly so that we can improve their immunity. Because you see, their mortality rates for the under 5s, they are very at large cases. So we encourage them. You ensure that these children get complete, or they get fully immunized, so that their immunity is not compromised. And also for deworming, let's ensure that our children get maximum care, whereby at every 6 months we deworm them so that we avoid complications that may arise and that may lead to these children get sick more and more. So we always encourage you to ensure our children get immunized and get deworming as stipulated with the World Health Organization. So thank you very much, and always feel free to visit Bungoma Children's Hospital.